I'm Dr. Garima Gaur, Senior Rehabilitation and Integrative Wellness Expert at the Wellness Co, and welcome to the first episode of Therapy Deep Dive, where I'll take you behind the scenes of one of our most transformative treatments, whole body cryotherapy. Today, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step experience and dive into the science of why this therapy is gaining global popularity from Olympians to wellness enthusiasts like you. Whole body cryotherapy is a short, controlled therapy where you're exposed to extremely cold temperatures, usually between minus 110 to minus 140 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes. In that brief window, your body undergoes a powerful systemic reset by activating its natural healing pathways. Here's what the research shows. Inflammatory markers like CRP can drop by up to 40% after a few sessions. Your body releases norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that increases alertness, reduces pain, and elevates mood. Post-session, metabolic rate spikes, helping burn around 500 to 800 kilocalories. Whole body cryotherapy also boosts collagen production, improves sleep quality, supports immune function, and accelerates muscle recovery and joint healing. At the Wellness Co, we use LifeCube, a state-of-the-art German-engineered cryotherapy chamber known for its safety and precision. Unlike traditional ice baths, we use dry, breathable, nitrogen-free air cooled electrically, making the experience more hygienic, consistent, and comfortable. This same system is trusted by European Olympic centers, elite rehab facilities, and longevity clinics around the world. Whole body cryotherapy is ideal for athletes seeking faster muscle recovery, individuals with chronic pain, arthritis, or inflammation, anyone dealing with fatigue, poor sleep, or sluggish metabolism, people looking for skin tightening and mood lift, or for post-workout recovery. We typically recommend the therapy for 15 to 65 years of age. However, with medical clearance, older individuals can benefit too. We always screen for contraindications like uncontrolled hypertension, cardiovascular disorders, cold sensitivity, etc. So safety is never compromised. Now, let me walk you through what a typical session looks like. We begin with a thorough consultation followed by checking your vitals such as your blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen saturation to ensure your body is ready. Then, we review a consent form that outlines the therapy's benefits, safety guidelines, and any possible contraindications. Before stepping in, your therapist explains what to expect, and yes, you even get to pick a song to keep you upbeat inside the chamber. We provide everything you need: thermal socks, mittens, woolen cap, face mask, slippers, and a smartwatch to track heart rate in real time while you're taking the session. You'll change into dry, minimal clothing, typically sportswear for women and shorts for men. Ensure that you've removed all the metals and your skin is dry before entering the chamber. Even contact lenses must be removed, and we provide a lens casing solution for that. You first enter the pre-chamber where your body gets 60 seconds to acclimatize to the cold environment. Then you move into the main chamber for 3 minutes where the temperature is between minus 110 to minus 140 degrees Celsius. Your song plays and you're gently moving, walking, bouncing, or dancing. That movement is important as it promotes circulation and ensures even exposure. Once the 3 minutes are done, you exit via the pre-chamber. We give you time to relax, rehydrate, and let your body absorb the full endorphin rush. Most people feel an immediate energy boost, mental clarity, and a noticeable drop in muscle soreness.
So the only way to describe this experience was chilling and kind of amazing. I'm suddenly feeling super awake. My skin was freezing, but it actually felt good. I could literally feel the blood rush and this sudden burst of energy. Now I'm calm. But inside the chamber, I couldn't stop moving. I was jumping, I was stretching, I was dancing, just trying to stay warm. If you have never done it, trust me guys, try it once. It sounds scary at first, but after doing it, I get the hype. I would totally go again.
To summarize, whole body cryotherapy is safe, time efficient, scientifically validated, and used by top performers worldwide. In just 3 minutes, you're giving your body a metabolic, neurological, and inflammatory reset. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the whole body cryotherapy at the Wellness Co. If you've never tried it, now is the time. Book your session, feel the shift, and I'll see you in the next episode.